Hi, I'm Jordan from Match Stafford, and this is the Volkswagen Touareg BlueMotion Tech R-Line Tiptronic 4-wheel drive, and it is a 3-litre diesel automatic. Now, this car is part of our Match approved vehicles, which means it comes with a 30-day warranty or up to 1,000 miles, whichever one does come first. So if you like the look at this car so far and you'd like to find out a little bit more about it, they can give us a call on 01785 899 474. Now in this video today, I'm going to take you on a 360 walk around of both the interior and the exterior, and then I'm going to get into some of them high-tech features. So starting on your exterior, you have got your Bi-Xenon headlights with LED daytime running lights. This adds a high-tech look to the exterior of the car while also illuminating the road ahead superbly. Another feature included is the 20-inch Tarragona alloy wheels. Now this just makes the blue exterior colouring look even more vibrant and truly stands out from the rest. Running down the sides of this vehicle, you have got your chrome window surrounds and even your chrome roof rails, and this car also comes with rear privacy glass, which not only completes the look of the exterior but also keeps any possessions in the rear seats or in the boot super safe. Now going into your rear seats, you can see they are made out of a full black leather. This adds a stylish look to your interior while also providing the utmost comfort. The middle seat does also fold down to create an armrest as well as cup holders for your rear passengers, so it makes their experience even more exciting. So taking you around to the rear of the vehicle now and showing you the boot space included. The way to lift up this boot is to click the button underneath your Volkswagen badging, and it automatically lifts up to reveal a spacious area. Now, this will be ideal for transporting large objects such as luggage when going away on holiday, or even items such as prams. It can all comfortably fit. Now, if you do need any extra room, you can fold your rear seats forward to give you an extended boot, and it allows for even more storage space. Now, the way to close this boot is to click the button on the boot door, which means it will automatically close behind you. So if you're carrying any items like shopping, you won't struggle to close the boot door. Now, some more information included with this car is that it's only had 3 previous owners, and you'll be able to see they have kept it in an outstanding condition. In your interior, you have got that chrome trim which runs across your dashboard and also continues on your door panelling. And just like in the rear seats, you have got the full black leather seating, now in a sport style, which makes the experience even more enjoyable for both driver and front passenger. The main focal point of your interior, though, is the panoramic sunroof. This just allows so much light and air into the vehicle, truly bringing out them little details. So that was the end of the 360 walk around of both the interior and the exterior. It is now time to get into some of them high-tech features. So going back into your interior and on your driver's side, you can see you have all electric window controls which are easily accessible on your driver's door. You have also got a multifunction steering wheel where you can control different aspects of the car all from one place, and all without even needing to take your hands off the steering wheel, ensuring the driver has full control at all times. Just above your steering wheel, you have also got your driver's display, and this is where any relevant information the driver will need to know will be shown, such as the current mileage, which is now at 80,316 miles. Now, mileage shown is subject to test drives and or demonstration miles. You can also use your multifunction steering wheel to go through all the different screens available to best tailor the driving experience to the driver. Moving on to the main digital display, which can be found on your dashboard. This is where all the main features of the car can be found and even controlled. One of the features included is the DAB, FM and AM radio stations, which give you a huge range of different stations and covers every type of genre of music. Now, you've also got Bluetooth telephone connectivity included. This allows you to make or receive calls and all without even needing to pick your phone up, so ensures the driver is fully focused on the road ahead at all times and not tempted to play with their phone while driving. You've also got the reliable navigation system included, and because it is a touchscreen display, it means you can move the map itself as well as put down new waypoints. It really is an easy feature to use, and it means that travelling to new destinations has never been more exciting. You also have a dual climate included. Now, you can control some of the aspects of this dual climate from the display, such as your heated steering wheel. Now, this just makes some cold winter mornings even more enjoyable. When the car is put into reverse, you can see that front and rear parking sensors do come up. This means that reversing and manoeuvring, especially in tight spaces, has never been easier than in this car. You'll also get an audio and visual warning when getting close to objects, so it protects the exterior look for even longer. Continuing down your centre console, you have got the buttons and dials to control your dual climate control. This means you can adjust one side of the vehicle without affecting the other side, and it is completely tailored to you without affecting anybody else. And again, you have also got your heated option for your front seats. This just makes them cold winter mornings so much more exciting, and with the 3 different heating settings, you can choose how hot you would like it. Continuing down your centre console, you have got an electronic parking brake as well as cup holders, and this car even comes with a spacious centre armrest storage with media input. So thank you for watching this video on the Volkswagen Touareg BlueMotion Tech R-Line Tiptronic 4-wheel drive, which is now available at Motormatch Stafford. Again, this is a Motormatch approved vehicle, which means it comes with a 30-day warranty or up to 1,000 miles, whichever one does come first. We also offer RSC extended warranty of up to 3 years, which is available with most of our cars. You can even get flexible finance packages tailored specifically to you. Also, all Motormatch vehicles are subject to £150 administration fee, and included in this is a provenance check. For a personalised quote or to book a test drive, you can contact us on 01785 899 474, and a member of our sales team will be more than happy to help.